I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring crypto from Coinbase to your wallet can seem daunting, but it is actually pretty straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into Coinbase. Open the Coinbase app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the wallet where you want to transfer your crypto. Step 2. Select the crypto to transfer. Navigate to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Click on the Send button to initiate the transfer process. Step 3. Enter a wallet address. Input the wallet address where you want to send the crypto. Double check the address to avoid any mistakes, as sending to the wrong address can result in a permanent loss of funds. Step 4. Choose the amount. Specify the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Be aware of any network fees that may apply, as they can vary depending on the crypto and current network conditions. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review all the details of your transfer, including the wallet address and amount. If everything looks correct, click the Confirm button to complete the transaction. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Transferring crypto can feel overwhelming, but following these steps makes it much easier. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.